2019 Buick Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, backup camera, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.